Hello everyone. 7 times 9 divided by 9 times 7. Mostly it is thought that its answer is 1. How? Because mostly the student do that 7 times 9 is 63 divided by 9 times 7 is 63, which is equal to 1. But it is wrong. The right way to solve it is 7 times 9 divided by 9 times 7. According to PEMDAS rule says that first of all we have to solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division. But prefer the function which is at left. Here division, here multiplication is at left, so we will prefer it. So it will become 7 times 9 is equal to 63 divided by 9 times 7. Now the function which is at left is division. So we will perform division. So 63 divided by 9 will be equal to 7 times 7. So 7 times 7 is equal to 49, which is our required answer. Thank you.